Imagine starting with nothing, no budget, no team, no camera, and making your first $1,000 online using only AI tools. Sounds unreal? It's not? In 2025, the tools exist, the demand is growing, and all you need is the right strategy. This is your step-by-step blueprint to go from $0 to $1,000 using AI, no fluff, just actionable steps that work. Step 1. Identify a skill the market wants that AI can amplify. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to solve a problem. Think social media posts, voiceovers, blog writing, video editing, or even thumbnails. These are all services that small businesses and content creators need every day. You'll use AI to offer those services faster and cheaper than competitors. Let's pick one. Content writing. Start with ChatGPT. Use the free version to generate blog posts, product descriptions, or newsletter content. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Reddit's R4Hire and offer blog writing services for $20 to $50 per post. You can even niche down. I write SEO blogs for beauty brands using AI. Use ChatGPT to craft sample blog posts and build a small portfolio. This helps build trust fast, especially when you're starting from scratch. For your first few clients, charge $15, $25 to gain momentum and 5-star reviews. As you gain credibility, raise your rate. The key is speed. Thanks to AI, you can write more, faster, without sacrificing quality. Next, add visual content. Use Canva's AI tools to create blog banners, YouTube thumbnails, and Instagram carousels. These tools offer templates, auto layout suggestions, and even AI-powered copywriting. Bundle writing plus visuals into one service package. A $30 blog becomes a $50 content kit, and that's how you start stacking revenue. Now let's scale to $100. Find 3 clients needing weekly content and offer a flat rate deal, say $40 per article with visuals. That's $120 a week, over $450 a month. And since AI handles 80% of the creation, you spend less than an hour per project. Time is money, and you're creating both. Step 2. Move into video. Use Pictory or InVideo to turn those blogs into short videos. These AI tools match your script with stock footage, animations, and voiceovers. Start offering video add-ons. For $20 more, I'll convert this blog into a branded YouTube video. You just unlocked a new income stream without extra effort. Let's say you do 5 videos a week. At $20 each, that's $100. Add that to your writing income, and you're already halfway to $1,000. You've now got a micro agency all powered by AI. No office, no employees, just smart tools and smarter strategy. Step 3. Automate outreach. Use Apollo.io or FindEmail to build lead lists of small business owners, coaches, or YouTubers. Then use ChatGPT to write cold email templates. I create content bundles using AI tools to help businesses save time and money. Want a free sample? Personalize and send 20 a day. Track responses. Offer a free sample to warm leads, something short but useful. If they like it, pitch a bundle. Weekly blogs, videos, and social media posts for $150 per week. 2 clients on this plan equals $1,200 per month. You've passed $1,000 and it's scalable. Let's add another tool, 11 Labs. This AI voice generator creates ultra-realistic narrations for videos, podcasts, or ads. Use it to enhance your Pictory videos or offer voiceover services alone. People pay $30, $100 per voice project. Add this to your Upwork profile and double your earning potential. Now, repurpose your own knowledge. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok account documenting your AI journey. How I made $1,000 with AI. Best free AI tools for beginners. How to write blogs with ChatGPT. Use CapCut or Descript for fast video edits and subtitles. This grows your personal brand and may bring clients directly to you. Monetize this content with affiliate links. Join partner programs for tools like Jasper, Pictory, Copy AI, and Canva. Recommend tools you're already using. A few signups a month can earn you $100 plus in passive commissions. Combine this with your service income and $1,000 becomes just the beginning. Let's talk branding. Use Luca or Namelix to create a brand name and logo in minutes. Build a simple site using Durable.co an AI-powered website builder that launches your portfolio in 60 seconds. Add client testimonials, samples, and pricing tiers. A polished site builds trust and attracts better-paying clients. Feeling confident? Turn your workflow into a Notion template or Gumroad product. Show others how you generate blogs with ChatGPT, make videos with Pictory, and pitch clients. Sell the template for $10, $20. It's digital, scalable, and 100% profit once made. You're now turning your AI hustle into an asset. This model is flexible. Want to niche down? Focus on one industry like real estate or health. Realtors need listing descriptions, video tours, social media content, all of which AI can generate. The more niche your service, the more you can charge. Generalists compete on price. Specialists charge premium rates. To recap, here's your $0 to $1,000 blueprint. Offer AI-powered content services. Use ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory. Get clients on Fiverr, Reddit, and via cold email. Upsell blogs to video and voiceovers. Document your process on YouTube. Add affiliate links and digital products. Build a brand site to grow authority. Niche down and scale up. This isn't just theory. People are doing it, students, side hustlers, and even stay-at-home parents. AI levels the playing field. It turns one-person teams into content machines. All it takes is consistency. Set a goal. $10 a day, then scale. Every blog, every video, every pitch gets you closer to your goal. The best part? You're learning in public. Every client teaches you something. Every tool makes you faster. Every rejection sharpens your pitch. By the time you hit $1,000, you won't just have income, you'll have skills. Skills you can repackage into courses, coaching, or full-time freelancing careers. Worried about competition? Don't be. Most people still aren't using AI efficiently. They dabble. You're building a system. You're solving real problems for real people. And that's something automation alone can't replace. The world doesn't need more AI, it needs smart people who know how to use it. You don't need to go viral. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need a system that gets results, and AI gives you the tools to build it. So whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or just someone tired of waiting, now's your time. Use this blueprint. Start small. Think big. AI won't make you rich, but it can make you unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs a side hustle, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered business ideas, free tools, and real strategies that turn skills into income. Let's build your next $1,000 together. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps more creators see how they can start with AI too.